Okay, so first things first here, we're looking at BOD, and BOD is our biological oxygen demand. And if we look here, when I'm doing my calculation, I have three separate equations. So much like I did, or we do in chapter 15 in our redox, we're going to have to use our links, okay? And the overall ratio I'm looking for is O2 is to S2O32 minus, okay? So what I have to do is I have to find my links here in my chain. So I have 4MnOH3 in my first equation, and that also appears in my second equation. And finally then, I have I2, which appears in my second equation and acts as a link between that and my third equation. So the overall ratio I'm looking for is O2 is to S2O32 minus. Okay? So just if I look at what I have here, I have that in a ratio with MnOH3. That MnOH3 is then in a relationship with I2. And finally, I2 is then in a relationship with my sodium thiosulfate. I'm just going to write down as I see. So I have 1 is to 4. I have 2 is to 1. And I have 1 is to 2. Okay? And remember, when I look at this, my ones here have to be the same. So my MnOH3 here has to cancel with this. So what do I have to do? I have to multiply this by 2. So 4 is to 2. And now they're gone. Okay? But if I look here, I have I2 and I have 2 I2s. So I need to have 2 I2s here, which gives me then a ratio here of 2 is to 4. And if I look there, that cancels. So that leaves me with the ratio of 1 is to 4.